Hey! In front of me is REALME C30, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this smartphone. First of all, just go into Settings and tap on Apps and Notifications. From here, you need to scroll down and click on Permission Manager. Then select one of your device's features, like Location, and pick an app, like Calendar. Now you need to tap on one of those options to set up the best one for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow only while using, so now when I choose the back button, as you can see, Calendar just gained access to this device's location if I'm using this app. But you can always go back, select any feature and then an app that you are interested in. For example, I wish to change all of my permissions for Gmail. So I have to tap on it, click on See All Gmail Permissions instead, and manage all of them only for Gmail from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!